What ride is this? Do you know? Ariel!
There's still some waiting in the lightning lane.
There is still waiting in the lightning lane, unfortunately. We're on the Little Mermaid ride, and we had a lightning lane for this, didn't we?
Woo! Yeah, we got lightning lanes for some of the rides. Most of the rides yesterday, but most of the rides here today don't have any lightning lanes.
There it comes down.
Yeah, thumbs down for those non-lightning lanes.
We love the lightning lanes.
Yeah, but those are still pretty good rides.
Excited?
Yeah!
Yay!
What are going on now?
Ariel! Yay! Adults excited!
We're so excited!
Yay! Handy, where's your excited face? Yay!
I'm so excited.
Love it, love it. Where are we going?
Under the
sea. Kylie, where are we going? Under the sea.
Yeah, but look. Look there. Look right there.
The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love. It began when King tried the old man and Ursula took Ariel's voice and whoa, this story's getting away from me. Slow down. Get ahead of myself.
I woke him up.
You woke him up. You woke him up.
And speaking of pals,
Look! Look at when Ariel gets out. Look! Look!
Oh, wow.
Look!
This story's all about.
Wow, look. Wow. We're going under the sea.
We're mermaids.
Woo, we're mermaids. We're mermaids.
Look up there. Look at that. Ariel. Look, it's a fork. It's a fork, Ariel. It's not a dingle hopper.
A dingle hopper.
I thought I once used my fork for my hair.
Did you?
Ariel.
What do you call it? Oh, feet. Flapping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing,
You may think the water's always bluer in someone else's lagoon, but down here is your home. The human world is a
Oh, wow. Look at all that.
This baby, this song, the jump, the fast play, the pass, the jump, baby, top. The flute is the new dance song. You can play the leaves on the street, the drum rocking out the
Oh.
I usually need my headphones for
So Ariel
Oh, no, you're doing well. You're doing well.
wants to live happily ever after.
Oh, they're the nasty
Look
ones.
at the line.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, I know. Oh. Oh. Ursula.
Rings glossitis, neck laryngitis, not the chain to me. I admit that in the past I've been nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light and made a switch. Yes. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in pain. This one going to be
Going back up to the surface.
We're going deeper under the sea.
your moment. Floating in a blue lagoon. Water better poison.
Well, that's the way I remember it, eh? Yeah. Oh, where was I? Oh, right. They all live.
Well, did you enjoy that? That was great, wasn't it? It wasn't frightening. Were you frightened? Oh, that was cool. Woo! Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, right.
Let me ask the guy over there for a hang on, okay?
Okay, brilliant. Thank you. Emma.
Spider-Man.
Don't say hello. Say go for something cool. Are you testing the new upgrades to the suit?
Oh, hey, Mrs. Stork. Yes.
Well, be sure you calibrate the stabilizers. I don't want to scrape a spider off a wall. And hey, have fun.
You got it, Mrs. Stork. Go. Stop.
Unbelievable. Anyway, be careful.
Oh, he worries. Hey, everyone, watch this.
Where's he, Em?
Hey, what's up, everyone? Looking good down there.
Emma.
I love this view.
Look over here.
Hey, everyone. Welcome to Avengers Campus. Whoa, that's a whole-size pretzel. Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. Bam! Nailed it. Good to see ya. What? Oh, no, not fighting bad guys today. I'm just testing some new tech in the suit for Mr. Stark. Watch this move. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Now that's an amazing Spider-Man. Okay, I need to test this new web fluid. Here we go. No. Oops, hang on. Ow! That was less amazing than I planned. Okay, Sharon, let's do the first test of the day.
Sounds good. I'll log the data with previous tests. Good luck, Spider-Man.
I don't need luck, Sharon.
Our previous test results do suggest otherwise, Spider-Man.
Huh. Always joking, Sharon. I hope this works. Of course it'll work. It'll work, right?
You sound confident.
Clear the runway. Spider-Man is cleared for takeoff.
Hi, Spider-Man.
Yeah, I did that.
Looking good, Spider-Man.
Well, I have to work it out.
Do you see him?
I meant the data.
Yeah, I knew that. Hang on, I'll be right down.
Go right there for a high five. Get down out of the stroller and he'll come around for high fives.
You want a high five?
Girls, go ahead and stand right there.
Sit right there for high fives. Emma, sit right back corner. Stand right there for high fives. Go ahead.
Stick your hand out there, Kai.
Lift it up there.